On April 14, Bitcoin renewed its maximum and reached the level of 64.8 thousand. Ether did not lag behind. Throughout April, its rate confidentially kept about the mark of 2,000. Anyone who looks at the growth rate of the leading cryptocurrencies over the past year will ask the question: has the digital train gone, and is it possible to start investing in cryptocurrencies now? Hello everyone, Masha with you, and you're watching San Academy. I'm preparing exclusive issues especially for those who decided to get to know the cryptocurrency better. In previous issues, we discussed what Bitcoin and blockchain are. If you're interested, follow the link. But today, we will talk about investing in Bitcoin. The events of 2020 have once again proved to us that nothing is permanent in the world. The thesis also touched upon the financial markets. A year ago, investors clutched at their heads. There was particularly not a single asset in which they could safely invest. Even gold divided, which would seem was always presented to investors as something permanent. Like the president in Belarus. In March 2020, the rate per ounce of gold was under 1.5 thousand, and the usual price of 2,000 remained unattainable until August. The market and industry situation led to the need for quantitative easing and the release of so-called helicopter money, which took the falling stock market under their arms and put it on the crutches. Some stock riled unnecessary and turned into bubbles. At this point, investors, including institutional ones, turned their attention to cryptocurrencies as an asset class that has little correlation with other assets. Over 16 months, Bitcoin has grown almost 9 times. In January 2020, its rate was 7.4 thousand, and in April 2021, it's reached 64,000. Long-term, large companies and venture capitalists saw Bitcoin as a defensive asset that ensures money against depreciation of during the crisis. Tesla alone invested $1.5 billion in Bitcoin, and the most extensive portfolio of Bitcoin is the hands of Grayscale. The value of all Bitcoins they have is $7.4 billion. The world began to understand that cryptocurrencies are the future, the next step in the evolution of money. Today, only the lazy haven't heard about NFT tokens. A huge number of NFT transactions with cosmic amounts have already thundered on the news. Digital items, tweets, and a host of other non-physical items were also solid. The record holder for the deal was the artist Beeple, who sold a collage of his digital painting for $69 million. We will talk about NFT in the new issue of San Academy. So like, subscribe and turn on notification. So as not to miss the new issues, press. I'm waiting. If you have wondered about investing in cryptocurrency and are already aware of it, then the unequivocal answer is that it is worth it. Despite the fact that cryptocurrency remains a high-risk asset, investment in it can bring profits quite quickly with certain knowledge. Investing in cryptocurrency for a long time will also give an excellent result. Experts predict that Bitcoin will reach the 100,000 mark this year. Looking at the speed at which the main cryptocurrency is breaking new marks, it seems that reaching 100 is a matter of time. Investment and cryptocurrencies are no exception. Should be approached with a cool head, be able to distinguish an artificially inflated HYP from promising projects and startups that will be able to develop into something more in the future. It is important to remember that no matter how reliable the forecasts and how common of the most intelligent experts seem, the decision is made by you, and as a result, only you are responsible for everything that happens with your investments. There are no permanent things left in the world, and that is why investors should act many times more carefully. Even the most seemingly correct investment may ultimately not bring benefits, and a crazy investment will unexpectedly give a good result. News feeds decides everything. One event, even one word, can affect the movement of complex financial mechanism. Today, we briefly talked about investing in Bitcoin. In the next installment, I will tell you about NFT, non-fungible tokens. Masha and San Academy, we're with you. Don't forget to make stop losses and walk with me.